Hey everyone, and welcome back. Now, when it comes to protecting your new phone, Spigen has been almost a top contender for me for the last I don't know how many years. And they have a reputation for providing some of the best quality cases on the market, period. So today, we're going to be taking a look at a massive lineup of 5 cases that Spigen offers for the Pixel 10 devices to see if their latest offerings live up to the hype. So stick around to find out the perfect fit for your device, and if this video helps you out in any way, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more content just like this and for the upcoming iPhone 17 series as well. And as always, all these cases will be listed below down in the description right next to that like button for your convenience if you want to pick any of them up. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the Spigen lineup for the Pixel 10 series. Okay, so let's start this off with the Spigen Ultra Hybrid with MagFit for the Pixel 10 Pro XL. First off, this case lives up to its name with its heavy duty protection. It's built to take a hit, so if you have an accidental drop, you can be rest assured your phone is going to be safe. It features Spigen's proprietary air cushion technology in the corners, which protects it from any pressure being transferred over to your device in case of a drop. But it's not just about protection. I think it does a really good job looking pretty fresh as well. Spigen has introduced a special anti-yellowing layer so that your clear case won't turn that gross yellow color over time like it used to. It's going to stay crystal clear, showing off its sleek design and the beautiful color of your Pixel device for a long time. Now, this case is currently only available in the clear or frost black option for the Pixel 10 series. Sadly, no 01 variant available at this time, and it's listed on Amazon for $18.99 for the clear option and $19.99 for the matte black option. Now let's talk functionality as well. The case features Spigen's MagFit technology, which means it's fully compatible with all your favorite MagSafe or Pixel Snap chargers and accessories, giving you that satisfying snap every single time. And it also lets you take advantage of those Qi 2 wireless charging speeds, which is really important with the Pixel 10 series. The case feels great in the hand, and it's got a slim profile while still offering robust protection. The cutouts are precise, giving you that easy access to all the ports, and I'm happy to report the buttons feel pretty clicky as well. So if you look for a clear case that offers serious protection, stays crystal clear over time, and works seamlessly with MagSafe and Pixel Snap accessories, the Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit is a great option for you. I've left a link to this case in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. Let me know in the comments what do you think of this case. Now let's move on to our next option. Alright, moving right along to our second case, we have a true icon, the Spigen Parallax with MagFit. This case has been a fan favorite for years, and for good reason too. It's available in matte black, midnight blue, and sage green color options, and retails for around $18.99. The first thing you'll notice is this unique 3D hexacube design on the back, which is just not there for looks. It's a signature feature that gives you incredible grip and enhances the ergonomics and feel of the phone in your hands. And even though the Parallax is known for its slim profile, it doesn't compromise on protection at all. It has these raised edges to protect both your screen and the camera bump, so you can set your phone down on the table without worrying about scratches. When it comes to MagSafe accessories, the case is fully compatible. It's also specifically designed for Pixel Snap, so you can easily attach and detach your accessories. A quick heads up on this case though, I've seen some reports online that while it works with MagSafe, it's not fully compatible with Google's Pixel Stand 1 or Pixel Stand 2. The brand recommends using Google's new Pixel Snap charger or other Qi 2 certified chargers for the best charging experience. So just a heads up on that one. Overall, so if you're looking for a case that perfectly balances unique style, slim protection, and a great ergonomic feel in the hand, the Spigen Parallax is a fantastic option. It's been an all-around classic for a reason, and you cannot go wrong with this case. Now let's move on to our next case in the lineup. And now for something a little different, the Spigen Nano Pop. If you're looking to add a bit of personality and color to your Pixel 10 Pro XL, this is going to be the case for you. The first thing when you hold this case, you're going to notice are the bold, contrasting two-tone colors and the unique camera ring design. It's a look that really stands out from the crowd, and it's available in 3 different colors: black sesame, blueberry navy, and papaya gray, and they retail for about $18.99. But as always with Spigen cases, it's not always just about the looks. This case provides that high quality, slim protection you've come to expect from Spigen. On the sides, you'll see a coarse textured dot pattern grip, which is a fantastic feature to help you get a secure hold on your phone and prevent any accidental slips. And just like the last 2 cases, the Nano Pop is a MagFit case, meaning it's fully compatible with MagSafe accessories or Pixel Snap accessories. It also is specifically designed for the new Pixel Snap charger, so you'll have no issues with charging and attaching your favorite magnetic accessories. As a quick note, just like the other 2 cases, this one is not going to be fully compatible with the Google's older Pixel Stand 1 or 2, so just keep that in mind. So if you want a case that adds a fun splash of color, offers great protection, and has a fantastic grip, the Spigen Nano Pop is a solid choice for you. It's the perfect mix of style and function, and I've left a link for this case in the description below. Now let's take a look at the next case in the lineup. And for the next option, we have the Spigen Liquid Air case with MagFit. This case is all about a clean, minimalistic design that doesn't compromise on functionality at all. The first thing you'll notice is the geometric matte texture design on the back. Not only does this look incredibly sleek and modern and professional, but it also provides a non-slip grip so your phone feels secure in your hand. It's available in 3 colors: abyss green, marble gray, and matte black, and it retails for $19.99. I went with the marble gray option here. I think it complements the new moonstone color, but you guys can let me know what option you like down in the comments. Underneath that great design, you've got some serious protection going on. The case is constructed with a durable TPU structure and features Spigen's signature air cushion technology in all 4 corners. This combination ensures that the slim profile still offers excellent durability and shock absorption, keeping your Pixel 10 Pro XL safe from everyday bumps and drops. And just like all the other cases we've looked at so far, this one is a MagFit case as well, meaning it's fully compatible with MagSafe accessories and is designed for the brand new Pixel Snap charger from Google. This gives you best of both worlds: a slim protective case with the convenience of magnetic accessories. Also, as with the other cases, just remember that it's not fully compatible with the older Pixel Stand 1 or 2. So the Spigen Liquid Air is perfect for anyone who wants a clean look, great feel, and reliable protection. And as always, I've left a link for this case down in the description below. Let's move on to our last option. And finally, we have the Spigen Thin Fit with MagFit. So if you're someone who hates bulky cases but still wants great protection, this case is going to be the one for you. And it lives up to its name pretty well, offering a super slim and lightweight profile that feels almost like you're not using a case at all. It's available in black, metal slate, and sage green colors. The black color retails for $18.99 and the other 2 colors retail for $20.99. But when it comes to protection, don't let the slimness fool you. It's made from a combination of polycarbonate and thermoplastic polyurethane, or TPU, and features Spigen's air cushion technology, which provides military grade drop protection. You also have those essential raised edges around the screen and the camera to keep them safe from scratches of everyday use. Accessibility is also a key feature here. The case has precise cutouts and tactile buttons, so you'll have no issues with wired charging or using your volume and power buttons. And of course, it's a MagFit case, so you'll get full compatibility with your MagSafe accessories, and it's designed for the new Pixel Snap charger. Just like the others, it's not fully compatible with the older Pixel stands, so just kind of watch out for that. So this case is going to be for the person who wants a minimal look and feel but needs the peace of mind that their phone is going to be protected at all times. So it's a perfect blend of form and function in one case. So there you have it, 5 different Spigen cases for the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Whether you're a minimalist, a gamer, or someone who loves a pop of color, Spigen has you covered, and they have a case for you. Make sure you check out the links in the description to find the case that's right for you. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and let us know in the comments below which one of these cases was your favorite for your own device. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.